Good morning, students. Accountancy 11th Standard, Unit 3, Approaches of Recording Transactions, Part 2. Approaches of Recording Transactions. In the last video, we have seen the accounting equation approach. Is it? What is the accounting equation approach? We have seen one equation, right? Capital plus liability is equal to assets. In that, we have find out some missing items. For example, sometimes in the sum, assets and liabilities will be given. We will be finding out the capital. Likewise, we have completed accounting equation approach. Now, in this video, we have to know about the traditional approach. Traditional approach means it has two-fold aspect. That is, already we have seen two-fold aspect means debit and credit is being recorded. For every transaction, there is a debit and credit. Am I right? Yeah. Now, we should know the classification of accounts. What are the types of accounts available in traditional account? Look at the chart below. Account is broadly classified into personal and impersonal account. Okay. The name itself says personal means some name of the person is included in the personal account, and impersonal means the person's name is not involved. Okay, personal account is again divided into three: natural personal account, artificial personal account, representative personal account. Then impersonal account is divided into two: real and nominal account. Again, the real account is divided into tangible and intangible impersonal accounts. Okay. Now let us see each and every account in brief. First concept, personal account. Account, it's related to a person. Some person's name is related in this personal account. Okay. First one is natural person's account. Natural person's account. It means human beings. For example, everybody having some account in some other banks. Okay. So it is known as person's account. Example, Vinod account, Malini account, etc. Some person's name will be included in that. Okay. Next one is artificial person's account. Other than human beings. It means a trust, a school, a company, like that. But that should be recognized by law as persons. For example, government is allotting so much of fund for each and every school. So, that fund, the amount will be transferred to the account name Government Higher Secondary School, Alangulam. Okay, so this is not a person's name, but it is an organization's name. So, this is called artificial person's account. Okay, the third one is representative personal account. Representative means, for example, in a company there are 100 employees. We are given salary for 90 employees and 10 employees salary is being outstanding. We have not given the salary to the remaining 10 persons. Okay, so the amount will be entered in the separate account called outstanding salaries account. Okay, And likewise, prepaid current account means, for example, imagine that you are living in a rented house. You are paid the rent for whole year, that is for 12 months. So that is prepaid account. Okay, that is called prepaid current account. This is representative personal account. And next classification of personal account is real account. Real account means it relates to properties and possessions. Already you know what are all the properties. Is it properties means that we own in our name is called properties. This may be tangible or intangible. Okay, tangible means we can see, we can touch. That is given, which can be seen and touched. Example, a plant. Plant means not the green plant and trees. This is a big water plant or power plant. Okay, like that. Machinery, building, furnitures. These are the things which can be seen and touched. Okay. Next one is intangible real accounts. Intangible in the sense we cannot see or touch. Okay. This cannot be seen and touched. Example, goodwill. Goodwill in the sense, for example, you are studying in 11th standard, then you will own a name. For example, Selvin. Selvin is a good boy. He is very obedient. He is very good in studies. He will do all works perfectly, like that. This is what your goodwill. Likewise, each and every company is having a good name. That is called goodwill. This cannot be seen, but it can be felt. Okay, patent. Patent is nothing but the a right. For example, each and every company is having some symbols, some names. Is it? That is that other companies cannot be used. That is called patent. Then copyright. Copyright. Copyright is given for books. An author prepares the book and he publishes the book. Is it? So in that situation, no one has a right to copy from the book or to edit something. Okay, that is called copyright. These are the assets, properties which cannot be touched but can be felt. Okay, and the last one is nominal account. Nominal account means it relates to expenses, losses, revenues, and gains. You know all these explanations, right? Here we enter salaries account, wages account, okay, expenses, losses, revenues, and gains. Okay, now we will pass to the illustration 5. Let me read. Classify the following into personal, real, and nominal account. What kind of account it is? Like that you have to identify. Okay, first one is capital. Capital. All you know, capital is the investment which is brought by the owner of the company to run the business. For example, there are two partners, Ram and Sam. Okay, see, Ram and Sam is bringing capital in different ratios. For example, one is bringing 1 lakh and another one guy is bringing 2 lakhs. So, how we will enter Ram's capital account 1 lakh. Sam's capital account 2 lakhs, like that. So the capital is the personal account because a person's name is entered in the capital. Okay. Next one, carriage inwards. Carriage in the sense the amount given for the lorry drivers for uploading and unloading the goods. That is called carriage inwards. This is an expense. We already seen the expenses will be entered in the nominal account. Okay. Next, commission received. Commission received is an income. For example, if I am working in an industry, if I produce 100 units, they will give me salary. If I produce more than 100 units, they will give something as commission. Okay. That is called commission received. It is an income. All incomes will be entered in the nominal account. Okay. Purchases. Purchases is also an nominal account. Purchases means we are purchasing some goods for the purpose of selling. Okay. Then outstanding wages. Outstanding wages. Outstanding wages is an representative personal account. Okay, representative in the sense will be entering only outstanding wages, but what is the meaning? The 10 employees, for them we have to give the wages. We didn't give wages for these 10 employees, like that. So that is an personal account. Then building. Building is an asset. Property. Property in the sense it is what account? Real account. Yeah. Cash. Cash is also an asset. That is real account. Bank. Bank in the sense in the bank we'll be having personal accounts. Ram account in Canara Bank. Sam account in State Bank of India, like that. So bank is a personal account. Next, Chandru. Wherever you see the name in the account, you can simply tell it as personal account. Okay. Thank you. Here I have given the answers. Go through slowly and read it properly. Thank you.